Yeah, people, I'm busy. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen, trying to fix my house, trying to make sure food is available for myself and my family. But the problem that I brought up here today is one lady from Kenya. They call her Helen Ati. She has been ranting all over the internet, abusing people up and down, abusing Cubana chief priest. So many people or few people are just supporting her. You see, my take here is very simple. This lady is a red flag. This lady is a very big problem. She was saying that Cubana chief priest, that Cubana chief priest will not see my punani or whatever. But you are calling him to come and do DNA. You don't want her to see what he already enjoyed according to you and gave you children. You are at the same time saying that he is not going to see this. He's he's a zaman, he's a stupid man, he's a fat fool. He's a fat fool, but he lay you down. He's a fat fool, but you claim that he's the owner of the child. He's a fat fool, but you took part of his money. He's a zaman. You see, that's why I don't support whatever you're going to say. And that is why people are not answering you. You can see that you're already mad over the internet, making yourself look very stupid as a lady. You are a big girl. You only have one child or two. You cannot handle the two children. And you are ranting all over the internet. The guy said he does not want to do DNA. Are you going to force him? He has nothing to lose, my friend. Nothing. He said no. I am not coming in between you and him or whoever. But the way you are following the matter is never going to help you, because if you had stayed calm before now, not been abusive, probably some of his friends would have asked him, hey, my man, maybe you go and check this out. Maybe it could be your son. You understand? The way you are following means that you are very, very desperate. You're a desperate chick. You were all the way looking for a Nigerian billionaire that will pregnant you, and you come over the internet and rant. And that's the reason why you are like this today. You understand? So I believe and I agree with Cubana chief priest. He shouldn't do any DNA with you. You're a complete red flag. Child support. Which size child support? Is it not when the child is determined to be his that you talk about child support? Yes. Because what many of you ladies are doing today, you don't deserve any child support from any man. If you make yourself stupid, if you lay the way you lay your bed, the way you make your bed, that's the way you're going to lay on it. You are ordinary hookup girl, and you trapped him. You are the one that lured him because you knew what you wanted. Why did you not go to your fellow Kenyans? Useless you. Why didn't you go to your fellow Kenyan guy to give you pregnant or to give you a baby? Why did you not sleep with Kenyan people? These useless Kenyan people. Why didn't you sleep with them? Now you are coming Nigerians, Igbo people, Cubana chief priest. Cubana chief priest, is he the only man that you have come across? Is it because he has money? If he's an ordinary madman on the street or a common guy that has nothing, will you come over the internet and rant? This is where I'm reasoning. Why can't you, since the guy said he's not coming for any DNA, because it shows that all you want is money. Everybody can see it, that you are desperate. Not even that you want to marry him. You want his money, and you are abusing him, calling him as a man, telling the whole world that he's a stupid guy. He cannot go to America. What is in America? Anybody can go to America if you wish. Like so many people, they don't even want to go to America. So why are you making jest of yourself and fooling yourself all over the internet? Why can't you be yourself? You claim to be a big lady, right? And you know how to move around at night, right? To hustle. The same spirit, the same energy, you should use it to take care of your child and stop looking for child support. Leave Chief Cubana, leave CP, leave him to rest. He has a family, he has a responsible family, and he's a responsible man. You can abuse all you care, you can rant all over the internet, but the bottom line is that he's not coming for any DNA. Go and suit yourself. Go and look for something doing. Take care of your son. Train your child the way you like so that he will be useful to you. Leave Cubana chief priest away. He said he doesn't want. Are you forcing him? You want to force a child on him? He does not want. Because you move around at night looking for men, billionaires, Nigerian billionaires to sleep with you. That's how you got yourself in this useless set of mess you are into. If it were to be an ordinary guy on the street, will you be ranting? Will you ask for DNA? Do you know how many ladies now that got pregnant by lazy men and they don't even want to release the children? Women, sometimes you guys think that you are smart. There are too many ladies today. They have children with men and they don't even want to release children to them. You know that? Do the same. Let the child be for you. Keep the child. Leave DNA. Leave Chief Cubana priest alone. Don't bother him. He has a responsible children, wife, and family. Bothering him is just bothering yourself. And the way you are going, he will never have anything like DNA with you because you shows that you are very lousy and you are very irresponsible lady. So far, so good. Everybody can see the way you are making noise. You say you continue to drag him. Continue. He's watching. Everybody is watching. And we have all seen what you are made of. Which means anybody that put you in the house has brought problem upon himself. You are a problem. You are an atrocity. In fact, you are a virus. You are a very big virus. Helen Ati, you are a virus. No man should come close to you. You are a completely mad lady, walking on the street, walking at night, hustling at night. You are just hook up girl. And that is what is good for you. You are beautiful, no doubt. Fine. But your beauty is for hook up business, not to be somebody's wife, because you're a complete red flag. This is all I have for you. You can meet me in comment section if you don't like what I've said. For those of you supporting her to go and do DNA, is it the kind of lady that you can go and run DNA with, to have a child with such a lady who is abusive, who has no shame? Is that what you guys want? I don't support Cubana chief priest to have anything to do with you, because Cubana chief priest, from what I know, is a responsible guy. He's a man, and he's a man of integrity. He has not committed any crime. You made yourself available and you were used. So go and suit yourself and handle your shit. That's all I've got to tell you. Helen Ati, go and sleep. Go inside. Stay quiet and never speak again. Goodbye. Don't play.